Welcome back. Today we're going to show you how we're going to start putting our pipe that we cut the other day for our vertical garden up on the post. We already put a couple of them up, but we're going to show you on this front one so you can see how it's done, and you just repeat the process for the rest of them. First thing you're going to need is you're going to need your metal strapping, and you can get this in the plumbing section at the hardware store. And we cut these into approximately 16-inch lengths. And again, that's going to go under our pipe and around the top to hold our pipe to the post. We're going to have them from the center to the center at least 1 foot. And that's so our 90 degrees, our two ends are going to fit on there, plus a small section of pipe to connect them together. And we'll need that for all of them. Your next side is going to depend on your slope. And what we want is we want the water just enough that it's flowing downhill. It's a little deceiving on ours because we are on a downhill slope anyway. So as you look at it, it might not appear to have the proper slope. So what we need to do is make sure we have our level. And what we're going to use is what the plumbers do when they're putting in for the drains in the house. You put your level on, and instead of having the bubble in the center, you have it tilted so that the line is at the halfway point on the bubble. It splits the bubble in half. And that'll give you your slope going to either side. So if we're going down here towards my left over here, the bubble we want it on the right hand side at the halfway point with that line there. If we're going over to my right, you're going to want to tilt it this other way with the bubble halfway through the line on the left hand side. And so for this, I'm going to need my assistant out here to help hold this so we can start putting it on. Again, I kind of know I marked 1 foot down, so I know where my first hole's got to be. One of the things is when you're putting the pipe on, make sure your strap is not in front of your hole. You want to adjust that. And then we're going to do final adjustments at the end as we put our ends on so that they all line up properly. And again, make sure that you're using your safety gloves and your safety glasses at all times, especially with the strapping, because when you cut it, it has sharp edges on it. Okay, it's that side. And again, what we're going to do is we're going to use our level here. All right, go ahead and grab the level. There we go, about a little bit off here. Right about, let me see. Okay, right about there. Does that help? This up some. Apologize for you seeing my back a lot, and we're not doing as much talking, but again, we want you to see how this goes on. And I'm putting 2 screws in the top just because, making sure as it's wrapping around and pulling, it doesn't pull the strap back out. It's giving that extra support that we need. Okay, and again, if you had more coming down, you would just continue to do that, alternating between the back and the front of your post. And again, just work that down, get your downslope going. On this one, we were originally going to put a 5th one on, but because of where it is, I want a larger tub down here for my drainage. So what we're going to do is we're just going to end here with our 4th one, and we'll have both our tub and pump and our system all be entering it on this side, and it'll be draining on this side. Take us a lot less tubing for that also. So the next time what we're going to do is we're going to be showing you how to make your end connections. So looking forward to see you then. Make sure you hit like if you like us, hit subscribe, and if you have questions or comments, please go ahead and put them on. Thank you very much.